What's going on YouTube? DJ3K here with a different type of video. I was a little bit bored. It's a Thursday night, pretty late, and just going to show off a few of my vintage comics because I was taking them out of a box. So here we go. I'm just going to show a couple. If you guys are interested, I'll be glad to show more. Most of these are from 1965. So here we go. This Green Lantern Mystery of the Deserted City. We got a Wonder Woman, the Academy of the Arch Villains. Superman, one of my favorites, the showdown between Luthor and Superman. Another one of my favorites, this one is a little rough. This was my dad's when he was a kid. He had writing on the cover, and a few pages are folded, but other than that, it's intact. Giant Superman Annual has 4 comics in here. Superman's mystery power, when Superman became president, Superman's first wife, and the origin of the Batman-Superman team. I got a Superboy 65, Clark Kent Super Show-Off, 65 Batman, The Hunt for Batman's Identity and Villain of the Year, The Adventures of Fly. This is a 10-center, so I believe this is a 1950s comic. So that's it, guys. I got a couple others, so if you guys are interested, I'll be glad to show them. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.